how can you add a link to your favorites on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So links are like the websites which you perhaps want to save for later or add them to the favorites. So the web browser we all have on our phones is the Safari, and I believe it's a great app for browsing the internet. And also when you get to a link, like somebody sends you a link to whatever, or you have a web page open, you can click on the button next to the URL. Right here, the rectangle button with lines, you can click there, tap the three dots for more options, and you literally have the ability to click on add to favorites. So that's how you can save a link to favorites within the Safari web browser. So anytime you open up the tab and go to the bookmarks right away, you'll be able to browse your favorites folder and you'll be able to see the web page there. Or also if you have a new page, if you go to the new tab, you might also see the favorites right here, or click on edit and make sure that the favorites are visible so you can quickly access the favorite websites of yours. Right, so these are not really like the bookmarks, some random types which you want to come back to later. This should be like a place where you have apps and websites, like web apps, which you quickly want to access and you probably use them a lot. So yeah, that's how it works. Let me know what you think about it below. I would really love to hear your feedback and your opinions. So share your opinions below, hit a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.